Welcome to the Make Money Time YouTube channel, where today I'll be showing you how to make your first $1,000 with Clickbank affiliate marketing. Now, in this step-by-step tutorial, there's only 5 quick and easy steps, so make sure you stick around till the end so you know what you're actually doing. Now, if you enjoy this type of video, please smash that subscribe button, drop a like, it really helps me out. We're going to get into the first step now. And the first step, you probably guessed it, we're going to sign up for Clickbank and go to the marketplace. If you haven't signed up for Clickbank already, I'm not going to show you how to do that just because it's pretty straightforward to do. So once you are signed up and you are in Clickbank, you're going to click over here on Marketplace. And what you're going to do is search for different products. I have 3 already picked out that I'm going to be sharing with you for this method that will work really well. So the first one here is the Soulmate sketch, and what we're going to want to do is try find products that are trending, high gravity score, and I'm going to show you what to do with this product, what we're going to do, how we're going to do it, and it's all with free tools. Like, you don't have to spend any money if you don't want to, which is great as well. So we're going to jump into the next step now. Step number 2 in this step-by-step Clickbank tutorial, we're going to go to ahrevs.com/keyword-generator. Now, this is a free tool. I believe they do have a paid version, but the free version is going to work just fine. So what we're doing is we're getting the product from Clickbank, searching up the name, and we're going to see how hard it is to rank for a review. But if you don't know how to write a review, stick around. Don't worry, I'm going to show you a free way how you can remodel your competitors' kind of articles, make them your own. So as we see here, Soulmate sketch reviews, 900 volume, 0 keyword density. So that's like how difficult it is to kind of rank. Keyword difficulty gives an estimation of how hard it is to rank in the top 10 for a keyword on a 100-point scale, and we're at 0, right? So keep that in mind. 0 for Soulmate sketch reviews. So you could be getting potentially over 3,000, what's that, about 3,500 worth of traffic just from one review. Now, the thing about reviews is, if people are searching for a review, what do they want to do? They want to buy the product. They just need some more confirmation. So that's where your review comes in. And I'm going to show you another product here, the Home Doctor book. It's in the survival niche, I believe. So you can see here 3.1k volume, 0 keyword density. And if we scroll down, we should be able to find the Home Doctor review, Home Doctor book reviews. The volume on those are a bit low, but here we go. Home Doctor book review, 80 volume. I mean, it's still worth probably doing an article on this, and I'll show you how to do that, don't worry, because it's 0 keyword density, search difficulty. If you're getting 80 people a month, they're looking for a review, and even 10% of them convert, that's over a couple of hundred for that product. And the last one here we have is Midas Manifestation. So we're gonna just, I am not a robot, of course, and we can see here Midas Manifestation reviews, 1 keyword density, and we have the review here, which is 80 volume, but it would be better targeting this one here, 500 volume, only 1 keyword density. So you can kind of see a recurring theme here. So I'm after showing you how to get the products from Clickbank, how to put them in the keyword tool. So we're going to go into step 3 now. And step 3 is we're going to go to System, or Systeme, however you want to pronounce it. I am a hater. And we're going to set up the blog on there. Now, I have a link in the description for System. I've been using them for quite a while now and I really love them. I'm not going to show you how to set up the blog though, just because it's pretty straightforward. They have templates. All you're going to be doing is modeling how competitors lay out their article. Now, we're not copying. We're not copying word for word. We're going to model the layout and I'm going to show you how you can reword the whole competitor's article without too much work. And as we can see here, system, you can sign up for free. You can get started for free. You can have one custom domain, one blog, up to 2,000 email contacts, I believe. And it says right here that it replaces the likes of Kartra, and I believe up here it says that it replaces Wix and WordPress. Yeah, right here, replaces WordPress and Wix. I tried to make a website on, like a blog on WordPress before, and it was awful. I tried to make a blog on System. I had it up in a day. I quit making one on WordPress after a couple of days. It was just way too complicated. With System, it's straightforward. So make sure to check them out in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so you will be helping me out. And if you have any problems making your blog on there, be sure to drop a comment. I might make a video on. And now for step 4, we are going to research competitions reviews. Now I have 2 search terms pulled up here. We have the Soulmate Sketch reviews, and as you can see here, there's 2 ads up the top. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's only 4 articles or reviews on the first page, and they are all, it seems like they were all published this year, a couple of months back. So the competition isn't very high there. As we can see here, it's given us the keyword density of 0. So even if you got like half of this volume to your article, even a quarter, and these people, they like your article, they're gonna convert. And as we can see here, we have the Midas manifestation review as well. There's like 4 ads there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a couple of more reviews on here. 4, 5. There we go. Yep, there's about 4 or 5 reviews on there. The rest are ads. And this website here was the one I was going to show you. Now these guys have been around about a year, maybe 2 years, but what they are doing is quite unique. They are doing reviews, and let me just press this here, accept. What they are doing is they are doing reviews, and they are giving their affiliate link obviously to the offer they are reviewing, but then they are saying the best alternative, and they are promoting the wealthy affiliate on Clickbank, which is another product on Clickbank, of course, but it is like a blogging product. It's like an all-in-one kind of tool, I believe. So they are doing that on all their articles. They're giving like a best alternative to the method. So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to look through the article, use a similar headline. Instead of scam or legit, you could say Midas manifestation review, is it a scam? The truth uncovered, something like that, you know. And what you're going to want to do is use the same headlines, because that is good for SEO and ranking. But we're going to want to change up the rest of the whole article, and I'm going to show you a quick tool how to do that. But if you don't want to do it yourself, you want to pay someone, I'm going to show you how to do that also. So we're going to get into the final step now, which is step 5. And for the final step, step 5 in our step-by-step Clickbank affiliate marketing tutorial to make your first $1,000, we are going to reword the article using this software. Now if you don't want to go through the effort of doing this, don't worry, I'm going to show you a way how you can buy articles for quite cheap and they are excellent quality. So I just grabbed a quick a paragraph from the high income source blog that we just found a minute ago, and what we're going to do is we're going to do a basic spin. Now, as you can see here, it's a bit gibberish, right? So it's going to be like, on the left here we have, are you looking for a Midas manifestation review? And then it's like, is it true that you are searching for a Midas sign survey? So it's going to replace words that you don't really want, but it can be used as a base, and you can change the words that don't make sense yourself, and then you can run it through this content checker here. I just ran the paragraph from the high income source website there, and it's coming up, this text is probably not spun. So what you can do when you finish your blog article, you can put in paragraph by paragraph into here and make sure that the probability of it being spun is low. And lastly, if you don't want to do this, you don't want to go through the effort, you're a bit lazy, or maybe you just don't have the time, alright? What we're going to do is go over to iwriter.com, and here you can buy premium articles, 1000 word article, or a 1500 word article for $20 or $30 here under premium. Now the standard, you could still go for that, but it is slightly cheaper. But the thing about the standard is, I believe they are people who are kind of fresh out of college, maybe want to make a name for themselves. They're not going to be using big fancy words, but it'd be worth it if you're on a tight budget. You don't have the time to do the spun kind of thing and rewrite the article yourself. Well, then this is another option. And if you enjoyed this step-by-step tutorial, please let me know in the comments, and drop a subscribe and a like if you want more content like this.